Now, one of the things that we have been seeing coming from the markets is that yesterday NEO finished the day trading at $4.62, up 3.12%. On the other hand, other EVs like Lucid finished the day up 3.2%. But one thing between NEO and Lucid is obviously the market cap is almost the same now. How the market is valuing Lucid is the same as how it values NEO. And by just looking at these two companies, you and me can agree that the market is still so unfair when it comes to the NEO share price, because how do you value a company with so much infrastructure for EVs? I'm talking about almost 3,000 battery swapping stations, almost 25,000 chargers, and on top of that, it is delivering, or it has the capabilities of delivering over 60,000 deliveries. I don't want to talk about the 72,000 that we are going to produce this quarter, but just for from Q3, NEO was able to sell over 61,800. But on the other hand, Lucid only sold just over 2,000 vehicles in Q3. But the market, the way it values NEO, the way it values Lucid, is the same. And I must say, this is not good. This just shows you of how unjustified this market is. It is not good to see NEO being valued like this. And all I can say is that it just shows you we are going to load the boat, increase our holdings, because this is showing us, presenting a good opportunities for us to load the boat, increase our holdings, because there is one thing that we know, and that is blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will be rewarded. NEO fundamentals are strong. NEO fundamentals have grown so strong. I mean, NEO has showed us from May that they are a new company that is able to do great things, that is able to sell well, which is why they've been selling over 20,000 deliveries since May of this year, and they've never went back below 20,000, which is something that is great. This month, plus 30,000 is coming, and next year, I can tell you, most of the time, we are going to see NEO average monthly sales being 40,000, which is something that is great, something that is amazing, because then we are going to continue see. We just want to see. What I'm curious is, I want to see how long will the market keep NEO this low, because NEO fundamentals continue growing, but the share price technically doesn't want to grow. But I know all those stories end at some point, and we'll get to see the market putting NEO in terms of market cap where it is supposed to be, which we look forward to that, man. I think we need to brace ourselves for that, brace ourselves for what's coming, because blue sky is coming. So yeah, man, tell me what you think about this. Tell me what are your thoughts on this. I think my thoughts are we need to remain long and strong, and yeah, just load the boat whenever we can. And these are my opinions, of course. I'm not saying do this, but personally, this is what I'm doing whenever I get money. But I'll be honest with you guys, this December, it was hectic. There was a lot that I need to do with money, so I didn't invest that much. I didn't load the boat as much onto NEO. But thank God, January is coming, next year is coming, and we're gonna continue from where we left off this year, and that is loading the boat, increasing our holdings onto NEO, because we know that blue sky is coming. Yeah, so before I forget, again, Merry Christmas wherever you are. Hope you're enjoying spending time with your family. I am, but we're about to, yeah, it's a day of feasting, right? So we'll be feasting today, we'll be eating, it will be all good, and I hope you are also enjoying wherever you are in the world, right? So yeah, man, new investors will remain long, will remain strong. We saw NEO throughout 2025. It's from double digits to now trading at $4.60. But one thing for sure is that next year we are not going to see NEO being beaten down further. Chances of it being beaten down to the low of this year, or to the 52-week low of $3.60, are very, very slim, because fundamentally, like I said, NEO has grown, NEO has shown improvement. If they take it down there, then they will push it for a short squeeze. Once again, we are going to see it going back to $7, heading back to double digits, which will come way sooner than what they expect. So yeah, man, tell me what you think about this. This is what we are seeing. Otherwise, other EV company, Lihodo, finished up 1.3%, trading at $24. Xpeng up 1.3%, Rivian up 2.2%. Then we've got Zika down 2.3%, Tesla up 7.3%. My God, Tesla just continues going high, skyrocketing, and yeah, man, I just hope I don't own any Tesla shares, and yeah, those that do, I'm sure you are happy, you are doing well, because 52 weeks Tesla is up 80%, year to date 86%, last 6 months 146%, 3 months 79%, 1 month 32%, 1 week it was down 0.7%, and yesterday it was up 7.3%. So Tesla is doing well, and this comes after the positive US elections, which, knowing that, of course, the CEO, or Elon Musk, has a good relationship with the president, it might mean that we might see great stuff coming from Tesla, which I think is about, this is about, or part of the reason why it is doing this well. So yeah, man, tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming. I'll remain with my NEO, man, because when you talk about the fast growing EV space, I don't think there is a company that is deploying the kind of technology that we are seeing onto NEO, the kind of company that is doing the most like what we are seeing onto NEO, which is why I'm going to remain with NEO. I don't think there's a company that has more potential than NEO. I mean, you will know that there is an institution, I can't remember, I think it's Insider EV, who said if NEO gets to succeed, then William Li will be known as the top CEO or top Chinese CEO when it comes to the Chinese automakers. I mean, Insider EV said not only will the CEO or president of BYD can come close, and also Xiaomi CEO can come close. So him achieving or NEO succeeding, it will be so great, not just for NEO but for him. It will make him, because this is a company, or this is the man that sometimes he received a lot of critics from people saying that he should be doing it, they should not be burning cash like the way they are. And if all plays out well and we see profitability by end of next year, this would make NEO and him to be so good. This would make him one of the top CEOs to ever live in our generation, which is something that is great, and we look forward to NEO's success. NEO is going to succeed. NEO is going to the next level, and those that are persevering will most definitely be rewarded with time. So yeah, man, do your own DD. That's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. Merry Christmas again, and God bless you all.